Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Jeow Som, also known as Krack Sauce.
I'll leave all the measurements in the description section. You're gonna need a pestle and mortar. If you don't have this, you can use a blender. First, add your garlic cloves, followed by your desired amount of chili peppers. Smash it into a paste, followed by adding your sugar, some MSG, smash and combine well. We want a paste like this, followed by some fish sauce, and lastly some lime. Stir, combine well, and we're done, guys. Easy as that. Liquid gold. Haha, look at that. This is Jeow Som, Chim Seafood, Krack Sauce, Nước, Cham. If you want to elevate this, you can add some chopped cilantro. For those who never had this, it is a collision of flavors. You get a little bit of everything. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's savory, it's tangy. This is a universal sauce that you can practically eat with almost everything. It pairs so well with barbecue meats, seafood, veggies, and herbs. I like to take it to Korean barbecues, hot pot, and a must for butter pan skillet, sin. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more of my content, you can support me by hitting that subscribe button. I also food blog in SoCal. Wow, look at that. Follow for more.